Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marissa. So today's video is going to be a little behind the scenes of White Malibu, my clothing brand. As you can tell, I'm currently trying to take photos of the garments to put them on Etsy so you guys can see what they look like. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm just going to show you like behind the scenes and me taking all the photos and stuff like that. So let's just get right into it.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Ooh. So I just finished taking photos of all of my sample pieces. I'm so excited. The photos, I wonder if this will give me better lighting. No, I'm not gonna try. The photos came out so good. I'm so happy. I'm wearing one of the things right now that I personally bought. So yeah, they will be up so soon. I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on it and to see them. And I'm in love. They're literally so freaking cute. Like, look at that. So yeah, this is how I took photos of all my garments to make it look professional. So I just used, oh my god, I just used a big DSLR. This is a Canon, I don't know, this is really old on, oh, this is a Canon Rebel XSI. This is my parents, so I just used this. And then of course I have my 2 studio lights and then my ring light. And what I did is I went to Michael's, hold on. What I did for like the paper here is I went to Michael's and got like a roll of paper, and it wasn't like wide enough, so I had to tape 2 together. But that's basically all I did, and I used tape to tape it, and now I have like a professional like shooting photo booth type of thing. And honestly, it only costed me $3 for the roll of paper. And if you don't have studio lights, that's totally fine. Do it during the day then and have the window, like use it as a light source. But 2 of these together, so I got this in a pack of 2, and it came with light bulbs and stuff, and it all was just 50 bucks. So I mean, that is pretty affordable for 2 like big studio lights. The ring light was about 100 bucks, but I already had this stuff for my YouTube, so I just applied it to my White Malibu stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek behind the scenes quick little video. Can't wait for you guys to get your hands on your White Malibu stuff and to tag us. And I will see you guys in my next video. Subscribe, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. I think I already said that, but anyways, bye.